See how it look like chunks flying out? That's what you want. And then don't let your blade, you don't want your blade to hit the dirt. All right, everybody. When I cut the tree down, I should have told you. I sharpened the blade this morning. That's another hat you got to wear. You got to be a lumberjack. You got to know how to take care of your equipment too. So I sharpened the blade. It's cutting a whole lot better, you know. But you want make sure your blade sharp on your chainsaw. All right, I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you how you can tell the difference. When you see the wood coming back, it's gonna look like little wood chips. If it look like dust, that means you need to sharpen it. But you'll see when I start cutting it up into pieces, and we're gonna start stacking it. Look like chunks flying out. That's what you want. And then don't let your blade, you don't want your blade to hit the dirt. So you'll see, I'll show you. See them teeth? Use them teeth. So it don't work. It don't work so hard. What? That's how you do it, Jack. Make sure your blade sharp, right? You use the tool, let the tool work. Let them teeth, hook them teeth on to that bark, the trunk I mean, and you can just let the chainsaw. That way you ain't holding. Cause this thing here like 4 horsepower, Jack. It'll whoop you. It's whoop you like 3 cuts. You'll be like, man, I can't do no more. So you let the chainsaw do the work. And when it's sharp, you see how it's butter? See? See how it look like little mini wood chunk and not dust, see what I mean? If it's dust, that means your blade need to be sharp. That's perfect. That's why it's cutting like butter, Jack. All right. Catch y'all on the next one.